Hi there, and thanks for joining us. Today we're showing you why wind turbine manufacturers need orbital milling machines. Let's break it down. Wind energy is booming and the market continues to expand dramatically. To keep up, the world needs efficient and precise wind turbine blade manufacturing. This is where orbital milling machines come in. But before we take a look, why is accuracy so critical? Well, the root ends of blades must be perfectly flat to attach securely to the hub. Any misalignment can lead to reduced power generation, increased vibrations, and potential structural damage. Orbital milling machines can help prevent this by precisely removing excess material. Here's how they work. The machine, mounted on a trolley or suspended from a gantry, is offered to the blade. Next, a hydraulic clamping mechanism secures it inside the blade's root. The trolley is detached and moved away, and the milling head, powered by hydraulics, starts machining. Typically, in just about 30 minutes, you get a smooth, flat surface. With accuracy being so critical, industry standards require incredibly tight tolerances across the entire diameter. And guess what? Blades are getting bigger, some up to 130 meters long. So orbital milling machines are evolving too. Larger machines with advanced features are set to meet this growing demand. That's all for now. Thanks for joining us.